Alright, so in this video, I want to demonstrate one of the most confusing topics, or one topic that people find confusing, and it's called function overloading. Now, function overloading just means you have multiple functions of the same name in performing the same task but differently. For example, you can have a function that adds two numbers, right? But we know that a number can be an integer, can be a double, can be a float. So you can have a function called add nums or add numbers, but adds numbers differently. Let me demonstrate. So I'm going to have int add nums or numbers. Then I'm going to be receiving int a and int b, right? And then I'm going to return a plus b, like that. Then another function, add numbers, but this one is a double add numbers function. So double add numbers receives double a or x double y, returns x plus y, like that. So this is what we call function overloading. You have the function of the same name, different data types, and performing the function differently. Now I can demonstrate this by saying cout add numbers, I pass in 10 and 12. Then I'll say cout add numbers, and I'll pass in 10.2. Then I'll pass in, let's say, 11.5. Now what happens is this: when I call the function add numbers first time, it's going to call this first function. Why? Because I'm passing in two integers. When I call the add numbers the second time here, it's going to call this other function. Why? Because, sorry, just do this, right? So when I call the add numbers here, it's going to call this other function because I'm passing in two doubles and I expect to get a double in the end. So I'll just demonstrate by saying cout end line, just for some space. Then I'll run the code just so you see how it's going to work. There you go, it gives me 22 and 21.7.